Iji pizza, iji pizza. Iji pizza, iji pizza. Yachandibazira 40% wenaiba. Hai wandasvika.
Where's the people?
They're there.
Your mom is not there when she comes. I'll tell her. I think she bought you a present. That is coming. It's coming. I think she's staying in UK. She's very far.
It will arrive one day.
Why don't you phone her and talk to her?
Who?
Hey.
Kimberly.
Your
Maggie.
mom on the phone. On live, that one that she used to send you love and light.
Me.
Yes. You
I think
forgot.
we're talking to you here. We're not talking to you. Hello guys. Hi guys, how are you?
I have a nice special.
You're drinking water. Shakurema paham.
Hey guys, muri say. Ay, maasa kwa yopo na shireni. Okay. Come on. Do you see them?
Yeah.
Hello guys, chingotegai vamwe dog atida kugarisa guys kwatiri kuenda uko. Asi kuda kugarisa. Handisi kuda kugarisa guys, tatosvika saka chingotegai vamwe atida kugarisa tatosvika guys. Tatosvika guys, chingoshare live mobva matega vamwe. Hatisi kuda kugarisa. Tauya late guys, saka tinoda kumanya. Tiri nechekure, tiri kure mbijana kwacho kune vakomana vaya. Tiri kure kwakachezvo, kune chinhambo. Saka tauya late, tinoda kukurumidza kudzokera. Hatisi kuda kugara.
Does it relate to you?
Esi fufu soko. Chingotegai vamwe guys, chingotegai vamwe mubve mango share live, tegai vamwe mubve mango share live. Tapiwa Keliman live malava kwa from Tapiwa.
Let me see. Auntie.
Yakwira apa pane mitambo apa. Nozvakuita. Unofanira kugadzira urudi yavavo. Iwe. Chingotegai vamwe guys, tinoda kukurumidza kuenda. And I would like to say kune mudhiaries akazvibatira mukomana hanzi vari kutotsvisa rafuka.
Newa.
And wakaita zvakanaka kofunge. Thank you very much. Wakaita zvakakazvitsvagira munhu wako. Clean him up, make plans. Because akandudza nezuro vatori murudo. Hanzi anofona every time. Hanzi aenda makatsvagira chimukobho. Dumela papa. Likai. Mewa molapeni. Kamkupa. Oh, kwati uye kundienda kuseri kwakatindika vari. Vakadzvara muriwo vatoridza muriwo wena. Varitoita project yavo imwe. Hi. How are you, City?
I'm going.
Wait. Okay, go. Hello guys, chingotegai vamwe guys, tegai vamwe mubva madedza. Hi boys. I'm good, and how are you? I'm going there, ne? Where are you comfortable, you guys?
Wherever you're comfortable.
I can see these others are waking. So should we go there?
Just speaking some Spanish, I think it's
So should we go where we were the last time? Yeah, all right. It's fine.
Hey, you're looking good.
Oh, my son, I'm always looking good when I'm always looking like it. But thanks for the compliment anyway. Hello. Good. Oh, you're watering the garden. Oh, you're doing your spinach. It's doing good, Mus. It's doing good.
That's the guy with the
With the blue sweat. Wow. Akangwara akatichangama akatina ndimirire zvokunzi chi ndozvi akatotora phone number musi akatofona akatakatofona atochisa love mamwe makangoti undundu makangoti undundu wamwe achizvibatira wamwe ari kuzvibatira makangoti undundu apa madiaries akainda weswete blue yakatogwa nemudhayara andozane ziro kuchechi.
Oh, these boys changed my life. Blessings to them.
How's this boy changed my life? Nani?
Vaye.
Changed my life. Blessings to them. Oh, thank you. Right. Okay, put it down there. Just pass it down. Chubuda, but your phone. What's happening? Oh, Kimberly. Yebo. Mama ngoti undundu mwachwana warume. Mama akatozvibatira varume mama ngoti undundu mwachwana warume panapa. He? My brother is highly in love. Highly in love. Like, serious, ne? I'm just telling them. How are you?
I'm fine, mommy. How are you?
Yesterday, I didn't see you that you were playing the keyboard. I almost fainted when I didn't see you. I did ask him, where is he? He said, no, he's the one playing the keyboard.
Hey! And he's playing it. Last week, now Jaladi drums.
Oh, really?
This week,
Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. At least it keeps you busy, ne? Hey, it keeps you busy. Oh. How have you been, guys? I didn't see you at church.
we were always there.
He was there. I didn't see him. Okay. Yeah, I saw you.
No,
Who's that?
It's the father.
Oh, it's Retam.
Yeah.
And the wife, where is she and what is she doing now? Hey, Kuri, Eti, you must speak yours here and make sure you call him and make sure you send him money. Oh, actually, I've got compliments from people like this one. And you would really change us, guys. You know, we had other people who were also doing, like after they saw your life, yo. There's a huge turnout. Huge turn around. People, they are like, So it was such a blessing, eh? It was such a blessing. Because at least the people, you know, you changed the people's lives. Queen Crunch, are you looking for a man? Yeah? Yeah? Wait, Sam. You are saying, and I never can we met them. Destiny, ethical. Ole, serious. How to Melissa about to you?
Oh. Hi.
Why camera? Ili what? Pukucha camera. No, kasa ikipata tena kasi si.
Okay. Why no?
Kakila was busy.
Pukucha nini you
to
doing?
go to gym today.
Okay.
So when I was busy doing.
I'm gonna wipe it with my.
Oh, Ole. Serious. Pukucha. Get about.
No smart shin. Only pictures at the Facebook.
Oh, okay.
I got go follow.
Mara I didn't post it when.
I could keep post I got to do a sister so that I get a
Mara ka post and.
What posted?
Oh, on Facebook.
The video I think you know it's a happy Sunday.
Na?
When?
Ah, ka posta.
So.
Okay.
It happens on Shakira who is a garden of like it or something.
Oh, it was outside the live video that was up. Okay, boys, I'm not staying long, ne? You can take out your things from there. What we bought for you. And so you just take them out and put them there so that at least people can see. Yeah, just put them here and then you can put them in your room later. Huh? Hey. Why can you not put them here so that at least you can Hey, Yamus. Oh. Harita Miki. Oh. Okay, we want them to start something. I was serious. Yes, take the pictures. We can find a pocket. Kupa o ate. Kupa ite. Serious? Be smart. Like I was going to say, you okay, I'll give something. I don't know.
I mean, I don't
like it. Right, this is your groceries, guys. At least the 50 kg you are going to push. 50 kg millimil. Hey, sugar 10 kg. You are going to push, guys. You are going to push too much. And this is shower. I don't know where you are going to put it. Your meat. And then there is the hoover, and the pressure pump. Now your business can run. You can start doing your business now. We want to come here and see you guys doing business. So that next time we are not going to bring groceries. We are going to make your own money from the car wash and you buy whatever that you want. That's why these people at least last how many key for 3 kgs. Oh, okay, you were doing this. Exactly. You did the paving. You guys are good moose. Oh, okay. Oh, you guys are good moose. Guys, those around Rustenburg, when I money pass up. Money paving, just for fun. But actually, experience. Hey, yeah. Now you be laborers again. Hey, you work with somebody, a bricklayer. Hey, so yeah.
Always ready.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. So they've got a song that they want to sing for us. They are going to sing this song for us. Hey, I eat it. Muntu insang pinakiriki o komrago. Kena pila nga insa di pinamus. Skipa sismerun, sweater sismerun. Okay, what's skipa sisi black? Oh, all right. Okay. Now they're singing for us, guys. This is for you guys. This is for you guys. The song. The song is for you guys.
Hey, wait, see. Yo. Sketla and with
Vamos a Maria. Vamos a Maria. Vamos a Maria.
You made my day. You made my day, guys. Okay, guys. So, yeah. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you again. You're always here. Enjoy. And wish you the best. Well, next time when I come, I want to see the business up and booming. Josh,
What attend them million.
thank you. We appreciate. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I receive the blessing. I receive. Yeah. Show me. Wait to say calf. I bet you could send the cement. Could send the cement.
Oh, fun. How much time cement is the cut for Kawash?
Maybe
10. Okay.
And the M 70 rand.
I don't have to make up strong.
Okay.
But the bill is 75 and 70 rand.
Ari kupanse cho mina le wena wa gola mos.
How to say, you know, get swing.
But
Madam Kanya Tentiano.
wa re ka tente cho mi kibuka itente. Au.
Can I has a tent? What are the TP mate? What are the TP mate?
What are the timbi? What was it mazeng? I think we cheap ku betere wa. Kadi kota. Abaitse kadi kota chomi up until rekele di tsimbi. Di tsimbi o tse ko di kireko kai. Ko di placing kwa. Mara kore no akiri ke ba ske ba yema because akona di tsimbi. Abaitse kadi kota and then na auction e tang ko di placing akiri. Kadi tsadi nepe ka kufuka ku bontsha uri kizona if it lizona body ki be kiri ba rekela tsona. Ki be ba rekela tsona. Ma. Okay. Fresh scholars. Ma. But. Kai it's John. Bye bye guys, I'll see you. Okay, I'll see you on Sunday.
Let's go to Sunday.
I don't know.
And I was thinking of Sunday Baskai.
Baskai go thing. Why? Mother, they must come. They must come to teach me. They must come. They cannot stay at home because they doesn't have clothes. Mara chomi kona kiba pandela dia barza thing mara. Okay, do whatever that you see is good, and then maybe to push. Ijay, what are my pictures? Inontora.
Ma'am, nina kadi ba tlatle.
Ne? Try fanya kwa uti yangu kushenza.
Akira apige tsako tsa awareness ne go mo dikereke tse manna we go. Isikala bella fela go shintsa mo.
Kin neat.
Baby. What's that?
I'm wearing
Anaint. Itesha mwari cha fast uvise unganze use pa side utore nezvima pressure kukaitsva pa pressure pambo pa side chikafu pa side femereke iko iwe bvapo unofanira kufemereka munhu angajaiva shuwa waona ndanji jump up yaopa mara kanzi vasimulise kwapeya. Okay. Na bayetsa bona bayetsa. And yanokona less stress akiri wabona. Less stress. Hello Kim. Yeah. How are you?
Kim, you can send the 5. I want to send that on.
Okay. Yes. Melly. Oh.
Chomi. Kushapu, all is well, Chomi. All is well, don't worry, all is well. Rimojo.
Out, eh?
Rimojo.
But like, I can't.
You can't watch.
And Sunday at Large Kitchen. Let's see.
And the Bennett read strong. Korea last time. Killable is strong.
Pressure pump, bona. Pressure pump.
It's strong. 1,800 watts.
Kara ke fela pelo, ke was so selo.
Rosta de kamuso
But when they mafela khwedi.
oh weekend ke mafela kgwedi and the way ba le ba ntse ka teng ne bantu ba tlotisa dikoloi because ba itse gore e tletswa ka speed ba ba ntse 2 ba tshwara ka fa 2 ba tshwara ka fa 2 ba tshwara ka fa and we speak blessings upon it as soon as before babula to me you call me so that we come and pray for that car wash life for thing and we don't want any spirit of darkness to come and disturb there and we have to pray for the customers so that you guys can attract each and every car that passes by. They must come to your car wash, they must not go elsewhere. So we need to pray about for the car wash first before you start working. And the other thing, guys, that is needed there, moka wa shakirla yitsi kuri moka wa sandwa tlhela di phone tsa bona, they are leaving their car, their phones, they are leaving their laptops. Just honesty, you go far. Just honest, even if some can even leave 10 rand to check whether you are still taking or not. So make sure you are honest, and if you once you are honest, I'm telling you, your car wash will go very far. You go very far. You're going to start having friends there, you're going to start having connections. That's where even your jobs are going to come from, that car wash. Just be honest only. And where is the young brother? The young brother is here. Where is your brother?
Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
Kai.
I got 3 months ago.
Huh?
I got 3 months ago. So, we had visitation right.
Mama. All right.
All right.
All right. A car wash alongside food and veg. Yes. You start a car wash and then rekadi the banana, rekadi.
And I happen to go. You say you want the popcorn.
Exactly, the banana, the what, and the knickknacks, whatever aside. So that the banana bottle America for later on as time goes on, once you start saving, and then we start, we help you working in Kukunyana for spat. You are done. Then you are done. You guys, I'll see you. I'm going. Bye. You guys, let's go. Kangunda sakuranda zuza. Ma. Akaska sala musakiri wa itsikuri kukakala kena. Akisata mai. Kimuricho. Akisata mudimu arabati tapeno. Yeah. Challenge. I'm up for the challenge. No, it's not for me. When people washing cars, they buy bananas. It's true. Kina, it's true. So, yeah. We are going to have the bananas. We are going to have the knickknacks. As long as you don't sell drugs. You are done. Don't sell drugs. Banana, what, the veg high. Now it's more summer. Cool time. Hotel. Wabana di chanza. Oh, ki chanza oh. Guys, let's start the game. Who's buying what? I want to talk about food. Who? Last week, you had an interview. I don't play chomza.
You brought some food.
Oh yes.
That's great.
How are you, ma?
Right yourself.
I'm good.
Whoa. Where am I from? From here. Where? Did I go somewhere?
Oh.
No, I didn't go anywhere.
Okay. The drinks. Yeah. The drinks, yes. Also the drinks, yes. We are going to try and organize some drinks again for them so that they can sell as well. My super cool, talking to my team.
8, 15.
By 11.
I keep you away. Are you new? Hey, I want to get it. Yeah, no way.
Oh, yes, Queen, yes. BI packet. Just take him. Take him. Take BI packet. Take BI packet.
No, not sometimes.
Take BI packet.
It's too much.
BI packet is always is also supporting Zimbabweans at times, so you must take him as well. It's just white borders separated us, but we are one. Okay. Thank you, Linda. Thank you. Thank you. Muruti.
How are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
Look at that. Arete. Listen. Okay.
You are blessed.
Yeah, Mashakira. Mashakira.
Muruti.
God bless you.
Thank you, Muruti.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Realeka.
Yeah.
We are getting there. Negara mamurikara there before. We want everybody about how we are doing this.
No. They most South Africans, like on internet, where they already know. They know, and they are challenged. Now we have seen BI packet has already started, also going to Zimbabwean community doing the same thing. Yes, because I challenged him. So it's all. No, we want them to start a car wash, so it's a pressure pump and they're over.
Oh, that's great.
It's gonna be here at home.
I was for free. What has a
No, Muruti must pay first so that he puts blessings.
I can pay first.
Hey, first time he must pay from there.
From there, get a mahala.
Hey.
Lo yeto zaga. Ako na
Madam Muruti is going to be a bomb because we want to make it exclusive. Cold drinks are going to be found there, Zimbas, all fruits, cool time.
They will sell.
Yes.
That's great.
There at the corner. Okay, guys, me, I'm going, ne? I'll come you know me, anytime. Yeah, I'm fine, Murut. I'm Murut. Yeah.
Must expect that thing.
No. Nah.
So, there are so many things. So many motivators and so.
Yeah.
I like the idea. That's how
at least it can keep them busy, and we don't have to keep on stressing every month. We teach them how to fish.
Yeah.
So if they can start doing that car wash, then they can be able to look after themselves. Yeah. They said I was taking the quotation. How many cements? They said 10 cements. So I'm going to try to go to buy those 10 cements so that they can start doing the paving, the shed.
And then you can. We'll see if we have some zincs.
And I'll make a plan.
You'll make a plan. Oh, thanks.
Do you have them?
No, I don't. I was just thinking. Or I can ask people to donate things.
Yeah, but if they
What
can,
again do you have?
Mara, if they can donate to Murti, that would be nice. Hey, that would be nice.
I will just.
Because at least they can do something for themselves. They can buy Sisepa Sabona, they can buy Shabo,
I also like the idea earlier.
Yeah,
started high.
Yeah, thank you very much, Muruti. Maybe if you start, please, guys, if you have.
Ah,
thank you. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. Because naki simulitse kainza wardrobe yanda te duwe kadinsa and tusa so because we had seen a challenge.
Yes.
We had seen a challenge.
Challenge.
Oh, kuna le omunyane olitsang uyetsang the one who's playing keyboard.
Yeah, keyboard.
Okay. At least it will keep them, you know, busy.
Yeah, this young one.
Wow, cut. That would be great. Machine work cut ne? And you don't use them sometimes.
But at least what a challenge is.
Yeah, if it's a challenge, then I'm so happy. I've challenged my bishop. I'm happy now. I'm so happy now. I'm at peace.
Yeah, no, that's great. Yeah, peanut.
Re shebile distance re bua ka stance sa gore di-parents tsa rona di tlabe di rekisa stand so not looking at our future as bana kana ke stance sa ka fale stance sa mo be se rekisiwa ke di-parents
So let's say.
stance sa wa bona all over that side ne le stance sa bone so mama a rekisa ka fale papa o rekisitse fale yeah.
You know, Luna, you have to start buying your own again.
That's what we were talking yesterday to say if she is to expand, because this one is the yard for this side. We will have to talk with the mother for because it's fighting. So I'm of a then her expander the crèche. He's supposed to make it a double story. Moving from here, taking these people out, who will take care of them?
That is if the parents are going to agree.
Mar, taking them out here, who is managing? She is the principal, is supposed to look after.
But you know, for the family politics, Mama wrote. But it's okay.
I know I'm not talking now about the family, about people that wants to assist.
Okay.
Because some are saying they can give them a place somewhere, but who will go there and manage it? Because there must be somebody
Who's always managing.
My boy.
Let's hope she will agree.
The crèche, the crèche and these people. But who will go there? Because he's managing the crèche and also is the principal this side and the principal this side. So who will wake up? It was easier for her. She's waking up next to them.
Anytime she's looking at things.
Then to go out and go to rough ready as they are saying and wherever. No, it's not gonna work. What will work is just to divide this and this building thing will just go up. It should be classes. It should be like classes. Because even that side, they want her to expand the people that are assisting the crowd, to expand that. But how? But it's going to take part of that side of that house. We agreed with them that it's going to shift that fence.
Yeah, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. Yeah, me, I'm done, Mamruti. I'm going.
You are done?
I want to go to the gym car 6. So, ish.
You're saying you are eating little now?
I'm a little bit.
The other time I've got a picture, then I said I'm not going to send it.
Where?
You are pregnant.
I saw it. The one you sent me in church when I was like, wait. And it was, I saw it. You sent it to me and I was laughing. I was like, yo, lockdown diaries. Mamurit. Mara.
We are eating fruits throughout the day.
Every sleeping, watching TV, doing nothing. You are eating 4, 5.
Yes.
Exactly. Ice cream. You know, these fast foods, junky food. Lockdown. Yo. I'm not going back. I'm working very soon.
This light body, you become so healthy and so flexible.
True. True.
Big body and eating too much. People, they don't know what pap is doing to this food.
I can't do with that pap.
You know,
but what I do, I just eat once in small portion.
Get poleta, the yellow one. It's so small, but it's expensive.
Where is it?
It's in Pick and Pay. It's written and also Checkers icon. It's in a brownish socket. I'll take a picture for you.
Please.
Ooh, you feel when you stir it with the white one. I stir the white one and
So this one is the
this
old
one
thing.
it's light, and this one it's very nice, very nice. And after eating it,
How much
you
is
don't
it?
feel I think it's
5 kg.
24 rand. No, it's they've got only 2 kgs.
2 kgs. Eh, kura tsetse ke reke tse 3. Ha ke re ke nna fela gona ke di
Very nice.
serious.
I can't even throw away bogogo ba teng.
Ah, ko e batla ka mo.
Ke tla be ke bo steamer, but ke ja maybe twice in a week.
Yeah. Now it's just starting
Somebody
to
is
eat
very
very
like-
small, once a week, small
But you
portion, once a
transit
week,
with
small
it,
portion.
Because pop it's like a
Mm.
just transit with the bullet. I'm
I will.
telling you, you will tell everybody how nice that pop is
I will.
and light is in the tongue. Because I will just eat it with gravy because I'm also eating white meat. There is no problem. And also the
Proteins.
lamb chops.
Mm.
And there is no
Proteins, meat.
measurements for that matter. There was no measurement if I eat lamb chops.
As long as it's meat,
Two of
no
them.
measurements. If it's greens, no measurements.
Then-
Only starch.
The wings, when I'm eating the
Eh.
wings, 4 at once.
But you're allowed. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yes, 4
This
at once.
starch is the one with a problem.
And sugar.
And sugar. The cold drink, like the way I used to drink Coke mo lockdown, Mamurut.
Yo.
Coke, the black one. You find me buying in most storeroom. I'm sure Kiona inkising yan. It's Coke. It was Coke.
Acid is very dangerous.
Kiona vele. Kile heblela kara no the way ki Coke. Nothing else. It's Coke. Ki Coke.
And potatoes, I just started now to eat them. But when I'm eating it,
Just a small portion.
Oh, it fills my tummy so fast.
Actually, I used it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, used.
But in winter I didn't eat green salad that much because it was too cold. I was cheating in winter. Cross buns with tea almost every day.
Hey, cross buns, Mamuruti.
Ooh, with raisins. Yeah, that thing is nice.
Mamuruti. Mara, as long as you detox after cheating, I do that. Like I'm cheating on the weekends.
So I can
On weekends I'm cheating. Well, if
Babasha
Babasha let's go for a restaurant, why temptation of saying no?
the following day,
Katamaya. When I get there,
yeah,
you can't eat. You can't eat only green vegetables. You know, salad.
yeah, as 5 days, then 2 days.
Hey,
cheating,
detox.
eating custard. Because I also cut on custard, but now I've started eating.
I'm not eating all those Mamurut.
I've started.
I am not since in the morning. Since the morning, I haven't eaten. I eat once a
But
day.
you
I
must
only
eat
eat
3 times
supper.
a day. It will work faster.
What?
You must eat 3 times a day.
No, I'm on intermittent fasting.
Or
Intermittent
Yeah,
fasting,
right.
something like that. So I'm eating only once between. You're supposed to be eating actually before between 3 and 6. So now I've decided to eat once at 6,
Okay.
and then maybe around 7 I have this snake nyana that will be. I'll eat again tomorrow at the same time.
No, it's good.
So at least I can see it's working fast.
Absolutely, I'm eating 3 times a day.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Now if I eat 3 times, I'm going to start expanding again.
No, it all depends what you eat. I'm eating in the morning the rolled oats or the Altima bread, not their bread.
I know.
Altima bread, and also the coconut porridge, which I don't like. The boiled eggs, 1 slice of bread. If it's time to eat bread, it's 1 slice of bread, but I've been eating 2 because how can you do it 2?
Mara, already you are okay. You can eat Mamuriti, they can maintain those 2 slices and whatnot. You are okay. Don't you sharp. Keep it off with the more and I was 38 before.
Definitely, I've seen the picture.
I was 38 before, so I need to just go back there and then I'm done. If you see Mamuruti, like the clothes that are in the big, those black plastic bags, Zaka, if you see, you'll be shocked. I could have changed everything. I've started a new wardrobe. Nothing was fitting in, especially here. Nothing was going in, nothing was fitting.
And I'm also scared that most of my clothes is size 42. Most of my suits is size 32. So it will be big jackets. The skirts I can...
You can alter. Nothing was getting in, nothing. I had to start afresh.
42 for long.
I had to start afresh. Those 38 that I used to, they are not fitting in at all.
And I'm telling this younger one, start now. Because when you reach 50, that's where you are going to start to feel this arthritis.
BP, what not.
When you are there. Then I said you will be increasing your number of days, your lifespan, because they say if you exercise, you are increasing your lifespan for 4 years. So imagine by just walking those 5 to 7 kilometers, I've increased my lifespan with 4 years.
Yeah, true.
You see? And if I'm not exercising like for the past 2 weeks, I feel in my body tiredness.
Serious? I'm addicted now.
Yeah, tired.
I'm addicted now.
And
I need to. Like in the morning, I didn't go, so I'm feeling something's wrong. That's why I want to go at 6. I'm feeling something's wrong because I was busy. Now I have to go. The classic. We've got the classes at 6, so I'm thinking of attending those classes.
The body likes that.
Yeah.
The body likes
but starting from Kadi 1, I'm starting CrossFit straight.
Yeah.
CrossFit 2 weeks now failing. I'm starting CrossFit because now I was just doing this general gym and whatnot. From Kadi 1, I'm starting to go CrossFit straight.
So when are the guys starting?
I don't know. I need to bring them cement first.
To get a shot.
To pave.
On that side. The pave is already here.
You what?
The pavement, or it's just to
put something down. Kimba, let's go. Mom, roti di tsamaya re. Ke batla ka 6 ke ntse ke le mo teng.
You don't have a problem with it.
No, my problem is the stomach only and the cheeks. Wabona mama roti, if I could skip my marajo, and lose the belly and the cheeks, I was going to be fine.
No, marajo you will keep them if you squat. But
I'm squatting a lot.
Squat, they will go.
How a lot? I'm squatting a lot.
Because no, I'm not squatting. I'm just walking.
Oh, you're just walking. That's why. That's why. And I'm squatting, Shem. I'm squatting big time.
No, you will keep them. If you squat, they will remain. Where is the other one?
We don't know. When we left home, I think she was still at school. Open. Oh, this space. Remove that bread down.
Bye, mommy.
Yes, remove the bread.
Hey, I managed to complete the time.
I forgot.
Yeah, Akiri is my friend as well.
Okay.
So Rena kupana kodi meeting kodi function.
Not half, yo.
Ole, how strong?
Okay, subsidy man.
Una lady businesses. He's a businessman.
Okay.
He's a businessman. You're all strong, Shem. But I like his heart, ne? He's one in a million.
And cool.
He's 1 in a million.
He's very cool.
1 in a million. But I think right now maybe he's starting to get sponsors as well because he's doing a very good job.
So I don't
doing a very great job.
I don't miss any of this.
And the thing, he doesn't go to church, but the way that he's doing is actually better than us people who are going to church.
Definitely.
It's actually better because he's
doing,
yeah. Mamuruchi, we'll talk.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Hey guys, and eat 3 times. And eat 3 times. In like a 1. Eat 3 times. 3 times because of it. Like a 1. Hey, Mara, they must do something far. Lois, I want to address you properly. Papa, you must do something, guys. Yo, happy to collect Zaruna this year for thankful.
Then they don't put it back.
But I feel like we'll bring a big car here. These small cars. This is not nice, man. Key challenge. Ole, we have to wait for me, Chomiak. Ole, you wait. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Lois, welcome, Lois, welcome, Lois. Thank you, welcome you to the Diary family. Sorry guys, there's a bit of a disturbance. Guys, Mascara say, thank you guys, thank you, each and everybody who put a hand in whatever that we did, the project that we did for these boys. I would like to say thank you, may God richly bless you. My team, you know yourself, number one. That is number one. That UK, is it UK, Canada. Yeah, just that. UK, Canada. Just that. UK, Canada. Chete. Tatisna Kuanda. Team actually Tatisna Tumbuanda. Just I think we were justified or so. So I thank you guys. Thank you very much for everything that you have done. May God richly bless you. At least now these boys can have something, to do. They can keep themselves busy with something. So Lois tinokugamchira Lois hanzi tiripo. Yes vana vacho chihera. Yes team rangu iri taiscrounger guys. It was not much money but takascrounger zvakaita ma 2020 akaita animaona akaita. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you very much. Munondidadisa team rangu tatozana kuti I've got a team to count on. Naro team rangu to count on tumwe tudikidikuti tatirasho. I think we were just 5 or so. Animaona tatirasho, that's number 1. That's 5. So yeah, thank you very much. Thank you guys. Thank you. I love you so much. I love you, Lucinda. I love you so much. My sister, Loveness. Love you so much, guys. Pane, this sister of mine from Canada, Ndrukangano Starake. Forgetting it, but it's fine. It's okay. It's fine. John Cario, thank you very much. Aiwa. Jaonikwa. At least teacher on evil right now they can push. Vano pusha. At least they'll try. Zvakawanda unozopedza 50 kg kana 10 kg kuti vakawanda plus vanhu vanodla chero 10 kg raisirongo nokuri ngori zvakataturika pera kamuza zvakatatu vakapera varumeka varume vazozlisisi vakadzi usati isusu vakadzi ndiri inapo ndotorova kana 3 months because ma 10 kg hapana paunga zvila ukapedza ndotorova kana 2-3 months but baje machinda can eat but ndafara muri wawo simukaona spinach yavo yasimuka so at least usavi plus tawatengerawo nyama nasanobika unofraya nyama namangwana futa nofraya nyama nakusoda mangwana futa nofraya nyama yavanozodya kana 5 days andi nandya 5 days Slichi, yes yebo, yes Slichi, yes. You are such a darling. You are such a darling. I'm really team shame. Big up to you guys. Big up to you team Rang. Big up to you. Dai mwari wakakurova ine mazimuka. Dai mwari wakurikita ine mazigomborero. Mushua. Dai mwari wakaita kuvarikita sandoda kuti mwari avarikite. Aite kuvarikita chako nemaziropafadzo. Kuti akurikita nemazigomborero. Because vakanyanya nyanyest chaichaiyo nyanyest. Vakanyanya. Now takuchinda zvedu kwedu kumaprazi. We go into our own prazes. Nyanyest. Kim sasa kuna lemon corona. Yeah, I want them on Sunday. Yeah, I'm eating them like shit. Like crazy. Like crazy. We are so hard to China na joguri quit. And then I don't know zira. Andi gonini. Azimeni maguna driver motor. Andi goni ndiko zira. Pana instructor pa side. Indi zara ijo. Oh mash. Yeah. So Sunday I'm going to fetch them from you, or you bring them, or I'll take them after church.
We can take them after church, but I would have already taken them.
No problem.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you.
See you,
Kimberly. Bye, baby. I'll see you.
Hey, guys. Bye-bye. So, guys, yeah. Tumela. Zvanasi zvaita, guys. zvanhasi zvaita zvanhasi
But
zvaita.
it's one.
What is that? Yeah, just keep it.
Keep it. We'll give it some on some. A check.
Right. Takuenda guys, sister kuenda zvedu kwedu mapurasi. Asi guys munyaya ida timbotaura ida timboonesa nedu tichi mukufamba mudei kudai so guys. 2023 ava mudhuze ava kusvika guys. Nyaya yemavotes vanhu 2023 akusvika. Vakomana ngatirejesei kuvhota vakomana. Ngatirejesei kuvhota vakomana. Mona zvinhu hazvisi kunakidza so tiri kumaforeign land kudai so. Guys, imboimaginai gayai guys tita tiri kudheni tese. Imboimaginai titanga tiri kumba tese guys. Tichiita this project kudheni. Tichibatsirana tiri kumba tese. Kwatinotsaura shona mai mwana. Kwatisingabvunzwe mapepa mai mwana. Kwekuti chitupa chako mai mwana nditomboite stress yekuti anzi ndikuya kutorwa nehome affairs doi. Oh, you Maggie anga achibvunza anzi koshandifonera rini anzi when is she going to call me Maggie pota chifonera mwana wako iwe anzi when is she going to call me ndikati ndichakupa namba yake womufonera saka ndichamupa namba achakufonera iwe Maggie ndichamupa namba yacho amboti tambobvunzwa mubvunzo iwoyo so takusvika anzi check all right DQ I'll check so guys wona imagine kuti zvese zvatiri kuita muno muSouth Africa muno guys detanga tiri kuzvita tiri kumba guys tiri kumba imagine kuti tanga taichinja nyika yedu tikuita zvataita so far data tiri kuti ora tiri kumba timwe nemwane project yake guys onai pakati nzira yakati yanetsa kufambika nemotikari ngatiisei $10 tiri kumba tine zvokuita tigadzise road yepakati tikadetita maproject akadii guys onai mvura iri kunetsa tadi kunisa chibhorani pakati kuti vanhu vearea yeyo vawane mvura ngatitei $. Tikadai tiri kupi guys tikadai tiri kupi so guys what I'm just encouraging you to do register to vote. Truly speaking guys vanhu vari kuna diaspora you understand what I'm saying handiti kanchiti diaspora ndikureva diaspora yekuchando ndoreva diaspora yekunzi yekumhiri kwarimpopo andimoona ndoreva diaspora yekumhiri kwarimpopo zvakare antimazviona kuti ndo diaspora dzandikureva imagine guys kuti chokwadi kuno kwakuchana kids guys maforeign lands tigere tirimo tiri kudya tikumwa tii tikuita sei but kovari kumba tara chokwadi kati kuno South Africa kunana South Africa kupi vanhu vari kuforeign land you understand depression zvinhu zvikatooma hauna kuti nditaura naye zvinhu zvikaoma hauna kuti anzi unogona kutaura nenzara usina shuga hakuna kuti anzi kunokunda kuenda nokumbira panext door kana kuti vari kunana Germany Australia UK ndinokumbira panext door hakuna izvozvo guys kuri kumba nevana munotomira pajurawo totaura kuti my sister I'll give you tomorrow shall give me a cup of sugar I want to drink tea guys we are tired truly speaking guys we are tired let's do something register to vote register kuvhota handisivi hangu kuti ndichavhotera chii kuvhota kwako choice yako it's your choice whatever that you're going to vote for handiti but let's register to vote kumba kunongodiwa so kune vamwe vanhu vasi vakaita vatove nema20 years vari kune dzimwe nyika handiti akasiya vana vari vadiki achina kunopanda handiti achinda kunokwasha haasati azi vana vakasvika pakutokura vakarorwa asipo hakwanise kudzoka because hana mapepa guys I've got a case yawe mai mudhayari vari pano I think ma UK muri kuiunderstand a case muri kuiziva because ndakaiunza kwamuri because mumwe wedu uyu ndewe ku-UK ndimai vatokura ndimai vakuru cheche I think she's around 58 or so vane 22 years vari mu-UK havana mapepa nanhasi 22 mai mwana varimo right the challenge now is she can't work havana mapepa havagoni kuti vashande so pacho challenge yekuti mwana wavo arwara kuno kuSA kuno akabatwa shuga atoye mukomana mukuru mwana uyu akabatwa shuga kuda shuga inoita kuti meno zvinofamba sei here nobva adamburwa gumbo shuga yanzi yangaita chichi nobva meno zvakaitika nobva gumbo raaffectiwa here rimwe vakakwanisa madhodha dzakakwanisa kusevha 1 gumbo kuno kuSA mudhayari mai avo handiti 1 rimwe gumbo vakatadza kurisevha nobva vari gura vari amputator handiti taitaura nemukomana uyu nemurume uyu naandiselina handiti murume is already 40 years munhu anotadza kuti is very determined kushandira munhu anoshandira because aitoti ndiri kurwadziwa tichiti saka unofamba sei unodii zvikanzi chinhu ndozviri kundirwadza ndoshandisa macrutches ndajaira kushandisa macrutches iko zvino but tikamubvunza kuti wheelchair zvikanzi no wheelchair handiide because ndikashandisa wheelchair I'm going to be lazy ndichapesana chachindave lesi saka will changu handini at least necrash ndikatomubvunza saka chishuwo chako akadenda ndawana gumbo reartificial rearia animaona ndikawana gumbo reartificial rearia ndikwanisa kuita mabasa zvitori normal because ndopesana jaira ndine gumbo rakadaro handimuri kuona the mother is in UK but she can't help right now because havakwanisi kushanda vane 20 years handimaona vane 20 years but zviri nani Petronella tivotere mahara let's vote Petronella let's go and vote you never know zvinoita mwari but maona Petronella zvinoitika nezvokudai sorry ndikupe example izvi iwo let's say uri kunamata kuna mwari kuti mwari vakuropafadza nditi you cannot pray every day kuti mwari ndokumbura mundiropafadze mwari ndiropafadze iwo mwari ndiropafadze usina chauri kuita handiti mwari wacho anokuropafadza sei usina chauri kuita kuti mwari vakuropafadza you need to be having something that you are doing kuti mwari vakuropafadze kana uchitengesa mavegetables ako then you pray to God kuti mwari ndiropafadze iwo andimaona tiri kuburidza nemavegetables angu aya I want them kuti atengwe zvinoshamisa handiti kana uchitengesa mafurizitsi mwari mafurizitsi angu aya ndoda kuhodhaka 4 pazuva ndiropafadzei you cannot just pray and cry unotengesa nguva yako uchingoti mwari ndiropafadze iwo pasina chakuita ndipo vanokuropafadza papi hapana miraku yekuti sainzi rokete kuti mwari anoyamomira pakuti ndaya kuzokuropafadza hakuna zvakadaro vanokuropafadza uchiita something iwewe uchiita chimwe chinhu ndopavanokuropafadza anti muri kunzwisisa uchiitawo chimwe chinhu iwewe mwari ndipo pavanopindira hanzi panogumira pfungwa dzako ndopandinotangira even bhaibheri shoko ramwari vanodaro saka iko zvino pfungwa dzedu ezimbabweans tagumirwa truly speaking tagumirwa tapererwa as mazimbabweans hatichazivi toita sei handiti saka let's register to vote tagumirwa tapererwa guys hatichazivi kutizira handiti takutizira kuna jehovha chete kurarama kwatiri kuita kudya guys inyasha tikurarama nenyasha ndochokwadi we like it or not tikurarama nenyasha handiti maona saka guys let's take this bold step let's register to vote hatiregistei kuvhota animaona ngatiregistei kuvhota tiona kuti zvinofambawo sei zvokuti tichikwaivhoterai chakati nangu handizivi hamene zvaunoda kuvhotera izvozvo vhotera izvozvo zvaunoda kuvhotera handiona indanovhotera zvaunoda kuvhotera iwewo zvaunoda iwewo kuvhotera izvozvo but ngatiregistei kuvhota the more yatinoregistawo the more yatinenge tinewo chiwo tine machances ekuti tichinjewo zvinhu animaona truly speaking yangu ndakazvimirira ndiri mheli kudai so antika handisi kutaura zvinhu zvepolitics kana kudii but ndingotaurawo in passing because I'm a citizen of Zimbabwe ende ndikurwadziwa ndakurwadziwa ndogara muSA ndochokwadi ndakurwadziwa ndogara muSA saka ndakungotaurawo zvandiri kufunga animaona ndiri ini ndakazvimirira hangu kudai so guys tikuda kuti kuonawo change we want to see a change dai zvaigona vambochinja vamboita reshuffling zvambochinjwa tamboonawo zvinyuwani animaona tamboonawo zvinyuwani zvinouya kuti zvinenge zvichifamba sei andimaona timboonawo zvinyuwani kuti tatambura tiri kunyika kuti tatambura guys truly speaking tiri kuforeign lands tiri kumadiaspora but we've got nothing to show at home we have nothing to show at home because mari yacho ukaiwana vari kumboda kutumirwa ukaiwana inoperera pamuromo ukaiwana inoperera pamaschool fees evana we have nothing to show but tiri kumadiaspora anditi kana takuenda kumbatenge chisekwa kunzi manga muchitiye kudiaspora makore ose aya hamuna kana ningikiri pekugara hamuna kana pekugara tinovaka sei kunyika kwachona kumba kwacho tinokuvaka sei kumba kwachona motiseka kuti mauya hamuna kana chinhu muri ngoya muchitaura kuti ne muchingotaura kuti eta hamuna kana chinhu kumba kwacho munenge muchida chikafu imimi tovaka nei vari kudiaspora vangoshandira world remit kungoisa paworld remit kuti mimudye kana vakuuya vakutumirai futi mari kuti ndivakirewo muri kudya futi mari dzachona vakutumirewo kuti mari nditengerewo stand futi muri kuvalazira mari muri kuvadyira futi mari dzacho saka vanovaka nei kana vakuuya kumba kwacho motaka kwachinira kuti wadzoka wadhipotwa wakava vasina chinhu kamakoresa waita iko mari dzamainotora muchinomirira kunhingirikiri uko muchinomirira kuworld remit uko muchinotora nesendi tu maiti dziri kubva pai maiti dziri kubvepi data rangu rakupera guys but ndichauya zvangu nenyaya yacho ndakangozvimirirawo ndiri nangu ndichauya hangu ndakazvimirira guys data rangu rakupera ndichauya ndakazvimirira ndiri inini zvangu pafair guys because guys it's time we do something guys nokuti kudyira bhonzo kumuroyika hazvibetseri andimaona kudyira bhonzo kunyara hazvibetseri saka tungoitawo zvinoita umaona so guys indakuenda guys tobatana manheru palife aiwa handisiri nandonenge ri palife handisiri nandonenge ri palife handisiri toenda gym hanzi tanzwa nekuseka Sis Melly andi muri kuona ataura chokwadi tanzwa nekusekwa kumusha uku hanzi let me hotspot you okay do it ita tione magi hotspot tione hotspot tione tatione we are tired guys let's do something guys I know kuti pana papa pa diaries tine vanhu mwene mwane party yake anenge achiti ndo party yangu antika it's okay mwene mwane party anofungira kuti ndo party yangu but chentongotsana chekuti your vote is a secret antika chiregister kuvota musi wekuvota unenge uri muchirumu chako uchivhota uri wega uri muchirumu chako anditi zvauchavhota ndionoziva but nangu ndakazvimirira dei ndaigona kuti ndiwane kunotaura nemukuru wenyika chaindainogara navo pasi kuti naye mukuru wenyika ndatambura ini tionewo vana veZimbabwe vedu weonaiwo muri kumbozviona kuti kuZimbabwe agara ane mari yake ndiye agara ari kungodya ane mari yake ndiye ari kungorarama ndiye ari kungodya ko vagara vasinawo mari vanoramba vachingori varombo kana usina mari ugara unongochingori wepasi hauna kuonowana mari so kuZimbabwe kunongori nevanhu vekuti kana agara achingori high class anoramba achingori high class kana ari wemiddle class anoramba achingori wemiddle class handimaona kana uri low class unoramba achingori welow class just like that antimazviona unoramba achingori welow class just like that hazvina kids guys hazvina makamboona mukapinda mutauni muHarare mutauni kana kuti munoona gweri mutauni umo guys munhu wese ari kutengesa munhu wese is a vendor maimwanda tauni yese kubva kukona kusvika kukona kusvika kukona kusvika kukona munhu wese ane musika wake guys saka anotengera umwe ndiani anotengera umwe ndiani anotengera umwe ndiani umwe ane muriwo umwe ane matomatoes umwe ane dovi umwe ane hembe umwe ane chi kuita ameno pamusoro pezvokuti vari kuuya vachidestroyegwa vachinzi vai vachidzinganiswa saka vanhu torarama sei come on guys torarama sei vanhu vorarama sei kumusha uku vorarama sei City Council inenge yakamira pasaidi ichitaura kuti vai ichivadzingirira vakomana vachitora hembe zvinhu zvezvo zvitogwa zvichiraswa zvichita sei guys vanhu vorarama sei vanhu voita sei vanhu vodii ndimbobvunzawo hangu vorarama sei apa manga achitorwa muriwo anenge ane mabhandle 10 maimwana $10 yotorwa yonokandwa mupini maimwana ndo panenge panori neschool fees yemwana ndo pane rent ipapo ndo pane magetsi ndo pane mvura zvotorwa zvinokandwa mupini zvoenda kunokandwa mupini maimwana no guys let's vote let's register to vote guys let's register to vote zvinorwadza situation iri paZimbabwe apa inorwadza guys situation iri paZimbabwe inorwadza because kune vamwe vanhu kuti some other people they are not even thinking for the majority yeZimbabwe anditi I just wish kuti dei president vedu vambofungirawo ruzhinji rweZimbabwe munoziva guys you cannot go kuZimbabwe uine motikari diki idzi mabenz aya mota diki dziri pasi idzi zvimakorola izvi zvimapolo zvidiki you can't go kuZimbabwe nemota yakadaro hainyori haifambi maimwana ukaenda nebenz inokunyorera kuti no road yobva yamira kuti nsi maimwana ukaenda nekaBMW dziri pasi ma180 inokunyorera kuti no road yobva yamira hakuna road just road zvayo road zvayekuti at least vanhu vagone kufamba road dzakagadzirwa muhighway ko mumarokesheni munobuda mota dzacho dzichienda kupi Vakomana dzofamba nepai tinonyarara hedu hatisi nangu I'm not a politician handisi politician but tinonyarara hedu but zvinhu zvinorwadza guys munoziva kuti time takakura gai ndikudzei imimi amapiano time takakura isusuka taitiziva kuti 5 dzikacha ndikunolaita swichi yemagetsi ndainobaya swichi yemagetsi achiti ngwee tasingachizivi zvekuti magetsi anoinda kunze kuti kana kwaita fault ogadzikwa 2 hours anenge adzoka tainobaya ngekiri swichi 5 dzikatochaya maimwana mvura taita magadheni pamba maimwana taidiridza muriwo kudzvara muriwo tichidiridza kwete zvokuti kudii kudzvara muriwo kudiridza mvura inenge iri tima imwana lukwetiti kuZimbabwe ratina kune dzimwe nzvimbo dzekuti vane 2 months mvura isina mbovhera yakabuda mutepu maimwana Vakomana ngatingorejestaiwo kuvhota zvokuti uchavhotera anizvo ndounoziva but ngatingorejestai because hapana munhu asingarwadziwe ndochokwadi asiri kurwadziwa nesituation hapana because mai vako chai vari kumba vakataura tizvozvi imagine guys tine machembera ari kumusha BP vanobayiwa nemabp aya vanobayiwa nezvigwere zvivanhu vakuru izvi handiti kuti ainde kunorapiwa chipatara panotoda kuti anga ane mari yekunotenga mapirisi ebp anopiwa mahara kuno kusa ve mwana avo vane bp mapirisi aya mahara kunoku bp every chronic disease mahara kunoku handi muri kuona kuchera kuenda kuningirikiri munonzi une shuga yaya insulin haiwanikwi zvekumhanya guys insulin haiwanikwi zvekumhanya jekiseni racho rinenge ichitodhura but you cannot live without that insulin handi muri kuona So you are forced to eat a plan to take insulin or otherwise ukuita kiss bye bye to your life. Ani maona. As ma hospital ariko, there's nothing. Amuna ma hospital, amuna mshonga, hakuna chinu, hakuna ma doctor. Saka vana mai vedu vari kumusha na mbuya vedu voita sei guys? Vorarama sei? Chiimagine urati kuti izvo munguva yeCovid yatave inoi. Ukabatwa neCovid kunoda iwo mameshini ekufemesa kunoda chi handiti zvinobuda kupi guys? Zvinobudepi when the hospitals have nothing? Kana vasina Panadol, vasina Brufen chero rinenge risipo. Antimaona. Brufen chero rinenge risipo. Saka vanorarama nekusati insulin kuti vanozvibaya shuga vaya. Ari mukona kuti mazino guys. Kunobviswa zino kuZimbabwe, kunobviswa zino mutambo. Kunobviswa zino kuZimbabwe kuti wanzi uda kudzokorwa zino. Mari yacho so. Apa wiwani memwe unotengesa maveji. Wodi. Woita sei? Zvozvo zviri kurwadza guys. Zviri kurwadza tiri kunyeperana. Kati vanhu vari kudiaspora weekend tinokotofila panenge pachinzi ndarwara nditengerewo mapirisi akati zvinokurwadza uri kunokwana chinopinda mupharmacy chinotenga mapirisi anenge achita kana 200 rand. 200 rand kuno kuchigaya kuti kuZimu rikawanikwa iri pipisi rinenge ichonzi $100. No guys. No guys. No. Tichikura zvakanaka takakwanisa kuenda kuchikoro zvakanaka guys. Takakwanisa kuenda taenda nema lunch box kuchikoro isu. Taenda nema lunch box kuchikoro. Taive nema school bus aibhadharwa every day kwaibhadharwa mai mwana uchibhadhara school fees ngikiri school bus rako kuenda kuchikoro. Handiti isusu vamwe taienda taigara kuchikoro tatiri mabhodhasi kuchikoro kwakuine madining mai mwana waitobhadhara mari yekufudu yekudya mai mwana uchitowana mari yekutoinyanganya pachikoro zvinhu zvichito kuchikoro kwaikuuya madisco aya tichibhadhara kuinda madisco isu zvinhu zvaifaya panguva yacho iyoyo. Taenda kumabhaisikopo amaiti mabhaisikopo kumafirimu kuya tichinoona mafirimu tichitopiwa mari yekuenda kumafirimu mari yekutenga mapopcorn urimo munikiri muyamya antimaona frizi tanga riri luxury patiko zvinezvi frizi takakosha paZimbabwe because ukariwana ninge watokumba kutengesa kuti umatuplai mari iyoyo yefriziti. Guys, let's register to vote anyway. Let's register to vote. So vana vedu vari kukudza vana mapiano vaiko zvino apa they don't know kwavari chakuchaka vasati vambo experience wo kuti magetsi 5 dzikachaya anongosvika achinzi twa achilaita havazvizivi izvozvo vanongozati magetsi kunogara kusina kana auya usiku womuka vanobheka makeke votobheka makastoma ipapo paanoindawo na4 vodzokera kunovata ndozvavanotosiva. Animaona unless uine mari yako wakaisako magenerator kana masolar ako, but how many can afford masolar? How many can afford my generators? That's $1 million question. How many can afford my solar nema generations? Ukuona pane nyaya yacho kuti nyaya yacho ma1 ukuiona nyaya yacho ma1 ana mapiano avazvizivi zvokuti kwanzichika nati even maswimming pool ari kuZimbabwe chechewo isusu taenda kunozara muswimming pool meme kuita kutsikirira muswimming pool kudhara taitsikira na every tata tichibva kuchikoro mai mwana kana uri kuti kuprimary kuchikoro kunaka kuswimming pool kwapeme uko kunoenda kwapeme anenge akatimirira peme anga akatimirira kuswimming pool uko totoenda kuswimming pool kwakati tonoti mathings aya tichitotikandikwa mathings tichidla chipiwa zvima 5 cents chidini zvaa zvakakosha iko zvinezvi kuenda kuswimming pool ningikiri kuenda kuswimming pool kuchaka chako vana vari kuZimbabwe ko vazhinji vacho vatokura havaizivi swimming pool inotokosha kwavari inotorema mubvunze mwana ari paZimbabwe apa ndagresen kuti wakamboenda kuswimming pool here vanozati swimming pool handizivini ndongozva kuiona chidarika because haakwanisi kutoafodha mari yekunopinda muswimming pool haiwani maswimming pool acho handifungi kuti achiri kudigwa chlorine sezvaita kudhara tikapinda muswimming pool waibuda maziso akaita red achirwadza akaita red nemishonga chlorine yaya akaita red nemishonga munonzwa mazuva ano handifungi kuti zvichiriko chlorine yacho inobva kupi vana vakatoenda kuswimming pool iyoyo vanenge vachikwanisa kuenda itsvina dzoga dzoga maswimming pool iwayo tsvina dzoga dzoga andimazviona. So guys ndangotanga let's register to vote anyway. Ameno kuti anovhotera ani asi it's the right thing to do guys. Our right your vote and your vote is your right. Ina unovhota tatarangura kupera magi hana kundi hotspot magi hana una ndi hotspot ndakubva tatarangura pera rakutotira pera ndakubva magi hana ndi hotspot. So guys food for thought kana warwadzwa seni guys ga register kuvhota kana warwadzwa seni guys register kuvhota kune vari kuti anzitovhotera chii guys amene tinovhotera chi asichandozani chekutika kune mamwe mapati wome banenge chakanyara right now but don't worry kunenge kune maplan anenge achitwa handiti none maplan anenge achitwa guys mbomirai kumanya timboona kuti aufa but maplan definitely anenge aripo nazvo tinozovhotera chini handisi unovhotera unoda iwe ndo yaunovhotera yaunoda iwe ndo yaunovhotera ane maona. So guys goodbye guys tobatana na 7 inenge dza 8 ka 7 mene tobatira time guys anditika bless you